another full self-driving video. This is another 10.5, testing out some camera stuff and just kind of generally seeing how full self-driving performs. Over the edge. Whew. That was pretty dang close for me. I will say, like, it made the turn fine, but I don't want to go that way, so I'm going to go ahead and disengage. See if it reroutes. I mean, full self-driving isn't going to do that, so... And also don't do that if you're trying to improve your safety score. Alright, back on target with where we're going to go maps wise, so I'm going to go ahead and re-engage FSD. This section should be pretty simple, straightforward, a couple of left turns. Let's go. Slowed down there. It's done that a couple of times on roads like this with the turn lane. It slows down when that left-hand lane is occupied, and I'm wondering if in my other drives where it's done that and slowed down, if it was because it was trying to remember the car that was actually perpendicular and wanted to be cautious of it perhaps pulling out in front of that traffic. That doesn't make sense to me as far as the right-of-way goes, but maybe that's what it was trying to anticipate. Not entirely sure. Goofy left there, but it's kind of done that before as well. Obviously it made it just fine. It hit the brakes a bit. It was a little hesitant getting to that lane, but that's kind of an awkward very left. Anyway, being a little goofy right there, trying to get onto this road. Had a merge, but nobody behind us. Really no reason for it to kind of slowly enter the road. We'll see how it handles this merge. Is it going to let this person in? I don't know that it's going to. That's lame. I'm going to go ahead and disengage. It really should have let that person in, and I don't know if that's something that is in the functionality, but although, you know, it's one of those weird things, right? Like, perhaps that person should have been a little bit more aggressive in speeding up. They had some runway to do it, but at the same time, I don't know, if I was driving, I would have, if it was me, I would have slowed down and let them in. Luckily it was safe for me to move over. some of these strange lane changes, moving from one to the other, and I'm not entirely sure why. Alright, so it's actually going to pull into this parking lot. Interesting. Terribly. Okay, well, this is where I'm going, so I'm going to disengage. It's pretty, that was really bad entering into the lot there. Should have been faster. Alright, well, we'll do a quick Autopark video. I wasn't sure if this was going to work. I've had really good luck with the Autopark, although it'll be interesting to see how this does with... Okay, there was a lady there. I'm not sure if it stopped because of that lady. And that's good. I don't know if that sign's there behind it, but works for me. Alright, leaving my second destination here. Figured I'd record this bit because last time it attempted this left, it was very unsuccessful. And this could be pretty embarrassing, but we'll check it out. Last time was just a miserable fail. It's a weird, more than 90-degree turn. Luckily we have a lead car. Super hesitant. And it made it. That guy in the turn lane he gave me a pretty odd look at that jerk at the end. So I think the lead car helped, but it did it. I didn't have to disengage, so kudos. The rest of this drive will be pretty straightforward, so I'll probably just super time it, and we'll catch you at the end. One of the things that is also a little bit irritating is that Beta likes to wait until it is right next to the speed limit sign in order to increase its speed, where a lot of drivers, and myself included, anticipate that speed increase. I think it should either be able to set it, or it should just anticipate it. I'm a family member that was in the state patrol, and he always said, if I can see it, I can do it, in reference to the speed limit signs. So I'll take it from a patrolman. Okay, this is another sometimes interesting intersection for Beta, actually. Should stay in this lane. We are going to go straight. At one time, there was a big truck like this on the left-hand side as well, and it was obscuring the traffic that was stopped in the lane I'm currently in, and it didn't slow down, so I had to stop. Now here's where it might get wonky. Okay, it did it that time. So last time, it, for some reason, like, had to get into the left-hand lane. That might have been on the 10.4. So this time, and luckily we had a lead car, so I think that helps a lot in Beta's decisions. and especially from the videos I've seen as well, a lead car always helps and makes the system more confident. But I believe, at least the last time I had that route, it got in the left-hand lane, and I did not have a lead car. At any rate, that was perfect. Drive here for me, so I think we're gonna call this one good. Thanks everybody for stopping by and watching, and thank you again for all my subscribers. It's been pretty awesome to see my very small budding channel grow. It's awesome. Appreciate all your comments and likes as well. We'll see you next time. Peace.